working on a project right now for my new house in Bethesda, Maryland. So the most important thing right now is we're using materials that are high energy efficient.
You know, there's huge amounts of waste in the industry, and now they've come out with a lot of new products and they're getting better about it. They're doing a lot of engineered products that are really good products, and it doesn't have to tear up the forest. The radiant flooring, that'll in turn heat up this limestone. Then that heat will dissipate through the limestone and give you an even heat throughout the entire house. It's extremely efficient because now the stone is actually your heat source.
We could easily knock down the consumption of this house through lighting by over 50% just by dimming certain lights in certain areas, having time clock features, and by using window shades to help control the amount of heat or light coming into the house at different points in time.
We spray the walls with a polyurethane, and we actually made a big envelope. This house is totally sealed. Then we use ground newspaper, and again, it's recycled, and it's going to last. Everything makes a difference. There is a lot of products that are out now, but we don't know if they're all worthy of being used, so we have to put them through the test.
If you just think about what you're doing, the choices you can make with just the littlest things can have a huge impact. It can also influence other people.
It's not just about structurally building a house. A lot of people can do that. But if you don't have the knowledge and background of what you're doing, you're just buffaloing the people, and that's not fair. Still, it's about the environment. It's not about the money. It can't be all the time about the money.
It's an amazing opportunity to learn and really think about what we do in our daily lives.
This particular house is going to have the best of the best.
I am Carl Green. I've been doing faux finishes for about 28 years now. I have been using low VOC paints and glazes for about 10 years now. They're on par with the oil-based glazes and paints, and of course a lot better for you and the environment. Yeah, when I'm out shopping for materials and products, I'm definitely noticing the green sticker on a lot of new products. This is a low VOC rust that we're using on this to give it an authentic rusted look. Natural bamboo grass cloth that we'll be putting on the staircase here. Beautiful product, very natural. And then on the walls here we did this lineal finish. It's just textured paint, has sand in it. Dry brush it in all along the wall and it creates this nice linen effect. But it's totally water-based finish. There's no harsh chemicals in this whatsoever. The green environmentally products are still fairly new, so they're getting better all the time.
My name is Jan Marfiak, and I have been making furniture and decorative designs, sculpture for over 10 years. Been in the fine art business for over 25. One of the things that I seek out is materials that illustrate great texture and stability and design, and making the most out of different combinations. Come on in and let's take a peek at what we have. This is a piece of mud. It was found in Cambodia. Polished the exterior, and we have these seashells that are impregnated in the material. These happen to be calcium deposits. the dripping of the water over time, crystallizing in this quartz fashion, giving a cloud burst appearance. These are a pair of cabinets that I designed about 7 years ago. These are going to be used as sink pedestals. One of the things that is very, very important is using good materials that will hold up over a long period of time. As far as the design, that is something also that needs to hold up. If you're using the right materials and the proportions are right, anything's possible.
My name is J.P. Bonin, Managing Director of Signature AV Systems. We are an audiovisual engineering firm that has a significant amount of high-end residential work in the automation of audio-video systems, as well as lighting and green energy systems that are now becoming more popular. So that includes doing HVAC control, environmental and temperature control, as well as the traditional controls of the television and the music throughout the house, so on and so forth.
Our clients want to be able to have their one-touch control over their living environment. And with our control systems, it enables them to do that when they have either a remote or a touch panel or even their PC. They have full access over the electronics of their home through those various items.
Colby & Colby was hands down probably at the top, for sure at the top of the list. There are a lot of companies that are trying to do what they do, and unfortunately the price point is very high, and there's a lot of new companies coming into the business right now. And I wanted to work with companies that have been around for a long time and had a proven history of having good quality materials and also good customer service. So Colby & Colby was my #1 choice, and my builder also has had some good experience with them.
All the windows, Colby's, because I've dealt with them before. I actually put them in 20 years ago in my uncle's house, and they're still doing fantastic.
The line we're using with Colby & Colby, I believe it's the Ultra series, which is the highest energy efficiency series that they have, and also they certify that all the woods are all grown in reforested growing environments.
My name is Wayne Smith with Accurate Insulation. And basically what cellulose insulation is recycled newspaper treated with liquid boron for flame retardancy. It is becoming widely used in the both new construction market and in the retrofit market.
We use ground newspaper, and it's fantastic for decibel ratings as well as insulation, where the newspaper really does help. And again, it's recycled.
But with a little bit of diligence and a little bit of time, you may find many ways to build your dream with as many recycled products as possible.